Boom, this person has just earned $1,509. Boom, this person has just made $728. Boom, this person has just made $735. Boom, this person has just made $736 by completing simple tasks. In today's video, I'm actually be showing you a worldwide method that is going to pay you to complete simple tasks and earn income just like these people. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money to get started right away with today's money making method. So this is going to be the website right here, and the link's going to be down below, guys, so you can get started right away. But make sure you watch this video so you know exactly how to use this website. So as you can see right here, guys, all I did was sign up from this, and I went to find jobs right there, first link, and then you can start actually completing simple tasks and getting paid like 15 cents, 11 cents over and over and over again by doing these simple tasks. And these are random, guys, so you can come over here and sign up for Prize Rebel and international, so worldwide, and they need at least 2,776 people to actually complete this task, and they're paying 15 cents per sign up. So all you have to do is click right there on any of these tasks. If you have not signed up for Prize Rebel, come over here to Pico Workers and then come over here and sign up under this person's referral link, and then you can start to earn some income from this, guys, just by signing up and sending over proof. So you have to follow these steps right here. It says what is expected from the workers. Go to this link right here, sign up, check for email confirmation, link to verify your account, complete one easy task on Prize Rebel website. Required proof that the task was finished is a screenshot of your balance. Submit your proof below, screenshots that show your balance, so you have to submit it right there. You can either type in a proof or you can upload an image. Most likely they're going to want you to upload an image, and then click on submit proof. And then once they have actually seen if you have done this, then they're going to send over the money to you, which is going to be 15 cents for this one. And there are some that pay even more, like 25 cents, 30 cents, possibly even $1, guys. And some of these are so simple and easy to actually do and complete over and over again, and you can start earning 4 cents over and over again. Look at this one, 1, 2, 3 of the same person doing the same exact thing. So it says marketing test search, visit 1 time and you're gonna earn 4 cents. Marketing test search, visit 1 time and you're gonna earn 4 cents. Marketing test search, visit 1 time and you're gonna earn 4 cents. So you can do this for 1, 2, 3 times right there, 4, 8, 12 cents right there, guys. So that's already 10 cents more than what you can make on a passive platform from the get-go. So most of the times on passive platforms you have to work your way up to 10 cents a day, like a Honeygain, let's say. So Honeygain, you can earn around 10 cents a day, but it depends on your device and how much it runs on your phone. So this is like the same thing, guys. So 4 cents right there from the same user again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times this person has actually made jobs for us to do. So that's 5 times 4 right there, guys, and you can start earning income from simply just doing those simple tasks. Look, another one from the same, from a different user, but the same thing. So they're actually doing some sort of strategy right here, and you can just keep on earning income over and over again directly inside of your wallet. So you can come over here inside your wallet and you can start to actually withdraw some money through this, guys. So it says withdrawals are processed within 10 business days of placing a request, and this website is paying at the moment. I have actually did a couple of jobs, or made a couple of jobs for other people, so you can go to my jobs and you can see that right there. Right now I have to actually rate 3 more jobs that people have sent me to confirm, so I can send them over like 14 cents, and I'll be making a later on video about what I'm actually doing with that process. So keep on staying connected to my YouTube channel. This is just something that's really interesting that I actually found pretty much a long time ago, but I haven't really made a video about it. So this is that video that I have created for you guys. So look, just by creating a Google account or a Gmail account, you're gonna get paid 8 cents, and you can see that they're just doing it over and over again. So 1, 2, 3 of the same person that has created 3 different jobs, and you can earn 8 cents over and over again by doing that task. And if we keep going down, look at this, shape shift sign sign up. So KYC mobile app only. So they only want you, people that have a application or a mobile device to actually sign up for Shapeshift under the link. And this is worldwide, as you can see right there. You're gonna get paid around 75 cents for just doing that one time. So that's a really decent income right there. 20 cents, 30 cents, 8 cents, 8 cents, 8 cents, 14 cents, 10 cents, and you can just see how much jobs are available for you guys to do. If you actually start working on this right now and get started right away, you can possibly be one of these people that are earning a lot of income from this. So if we come over here to workers ranking, you can see this list right here of how much people are actually making on this site. $1,500 on a side gig. So this is like their side job, like, you know, just like a little side thing that they're doing, like a hobby in a way, and they're making $1,500 right there. And he is from Bulgaria. He or she is from Bulgaria. You can see Dominican Republic right there, $728. Look at that income, guys. That is insane on how you can actually start to earn by doing simple tasks on this. So I'm going to be leaving the links down below so you guys can get started making some money with this website if you're interested. And you can also post jobs if you want referral links added to your sites that you're trying to, I guess, promote, and you can actually make them sign up underneath you. Or you don't have to make them if they want to sign up underneath you, but if they do that, then that's going to be a source of referrals that you can actually get on any website that you can think of that is marketable, and you can start to do that right here at a really cheap price. So there's two methods you can use within this, and you can also come over here, guys. So go over here to the rankings and start to rank your level on here so people can actually recommend you jobs if you're interested. So that's something interesting. So like, let's say I want to come over here to this guy and be like, hey, I want you to do something for me. So I can actually try to chat with this person and ask him to do like certain things, or if you feel like he is actually trustworthy, then you can see all of the jobs he has done. So it says tasks done breakdown. So you can see search engine, or search, click, and engage, video marketing, sign up, Facebook, mobile applications, Instagram promotions, other Twitter, write an honest review, computer programs, comment on other blogs, forums, Yahoo, surveys, offers, blogs, website owners, write an article. So you can see all of the stuff that this person has done. You can see the employer, and you can also see the about me page. So it says hi, 24/7 work. Simple, easy, and to the point. So guys, this is a really interesting website. Again, I just wanted to show you if you're interested in getting started. I'm going to be leaving the link down below. Have you ever wanted to create a video just like this that went viral, like 5 facts about coronavirus, mind-blowing obstacle illusions? Keep watching this video, guys. I know this looks like something that a lot of people talk about, but this is something that can actually work for you. Look at this. Photos that caught people cheat or being jealous. Things students did to pass exams. So look, if we go inside of any one of these videos, so here's the volume. So
like you're falling out of bed and you're sound asleep. What do? You jump straight up and you wonder what.
So as you guys can hear that volume in the background, that is something that my team is going to create for you. So that is going to be something my team is going to be able to create for you for a really cheap price, guys. They're going to be creating the videos for you. They're going to be creating the actual thumbnails for you. They're going to actually be doing the voiceovers for you. They're going to do everything that is needed to make a video on YouTube for you guys. This is going to be the easiest and simplest way to make money right now on YouTube. And there's niches. You can do this in niche. You can do it about dogs, you can do it about crabs, you can do it about cars, anything that you can think of, guys. My team is going to do it for you. And this team is actually working with the bright side. This team is actually working with the richest. So you can see all of these videos right here, guys, are what my team can do for you. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Warren Buffett. I think this is Joe Biden. Look at this. Dubai's 22 billion city of the future. You can see all of these videos are pretty much the same exact thing as this right here. This is my channel, my test channel. So you guys can come in, check it out, and see if you actually want to be a part of this YouTube community of actually having my team work for you guys. So it says what you didn't know about Russia that you should know. And look at this right here, guys. Watch. This right here is my YouTube course. I don't really want to call it a course. I want to call it like a, I guess, program, or just something that is going to be given to you guys. So this is what my team will do for you. My team would do the script writing, the video editing, the voiceovers, and the thumbnail. And all you have to do is just upload the video and start to make money with YouTube. Now, it all depends on you guys. It all depends on what videos you want them to make for you, and what videos could go viral and what videos don't go viral. So it just takes patience, time, and I'm going to show you the introduction to the course. Watch this. Personal contact information, channel and branding, best niches, how to get views organically, how to grow fast, a little secret, how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast, a secret method, and that really is a secret method right there, guys. How to outsource everything without my team, how to go viral every time you upload, what to do or what to avoid when making a YouTube channel, what I would do if I started from scratch. Here is my team. Let's take action and make some money, guys. So this is going to be my results. This is going to be my I guess my program on showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube for using my team, without even using my team, guys. Look, it says right here, how to outsource everything without my team. So guys, this is something I've created for you, a really cheap price at the moment, only $25, which is a really good investment, I would say, to get some information, some knowledge on actually making money on YouTube, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.